Let's build a terrarium. We don't bother putting in any kind of charcoal or rock on the bottom. They find there's no reason at all to do it, and it actually slows the water process down and messes the roots up more than if you just go with soil. 3 plants is always an ideal number. You want to make sure that the plants that you choose are compatible with one another, and plants that contrast well. In this case, we're doing tropicals. So there's an aluminum plant here, a pink polka dot, and an African violet. Plants in. We want to cover all of our soil with rock or wood or something, and the reason we do that is just because we're mimicking nature. If you think that every time that you went for a walk in the woods, you walk on moss, rocks, wood, rotted plants, but you don't walk on just soil unless some big machinery went by. And so we just want to mimic that.